Welcome to MyKidReports. Let's explore how to send messages using the new chat feature. After logging in, tap on the chat icon from the bottom menu. Here you can find all your existing conversations organized for quick access. To start a new message, tap New Chat at the top of the screen. You'll see three options: Children, Staff, and Staff Groups. Let's start with Children. You can search for a specific child by name or select an entire room. Choose the recipients you want to message and tap Next. Now, type your message in the text box. If you'd like, you can also send it as an SMS by selecting Send by SMS to. When enabled, the message will be delivered both through the app and via SMS. Please note, SMS credits are managed at the school level. If your school's credits are exhausted, the SMS will not be sent. Please note, the SMS feature supports up to 160 characters per message. If your message exceeds this limit, only the first 160 characters will be sent via SMS, while the full message will still appear in the app chat without any limit. You can also attach photos, files, or documents. When you're ready, tap Send Message. Your message will be sent instantly. Notice that after sending a message, the name shown in the conversation is the respective parent's name, even though you originally selected the child's name while creating the message. Next, let's explore the staff section. Here, you can send messages directly to individual staff members. And finally, under Staff Groups, you can send messages to an entire group at once. You can even create a new group. To create, click on Create New Group, enter a group name, then select the staff members you want to include and tap Create Group. Once created, the group will appear in your chat list and all members will receive the messages you send in the group. Let's look at everything you can do inside a chat. At the bottom, you'll see the message bar. Here, you can type your message and simply tap Send. Next to it, you'll find several quick options. You can add emojis, attach files, or send photos and videos directly from your gallery. You can even click images instantly using your device's camera and share them right away. Now let's look at how to create a poll. Click on the three dots, then select Poll. Now, the Create Poll box will open. Type your question, for example, which day should we plan the outdoor play session? Then add your options, such as Monday, Wednesday. If you have more than two options, simply tap Add Option to include more. So here you can write third option like Friday. Once done, click Create Poll, and your poll will be sent instantly. Everyone in the group or chat can now vote directly, and you'll see the results update in real time. Now, let's see some more useful options available for every message. When you tap on any message, a quick menu will appear. Here, you can react to the message using emojis, reply to a specific message to keep the conversation clear and organized, edit your message to correct or update any detail, pin a message, which keeps it highlighted at the top of the chat for easy reference. And finally, remove a message. When you tap on Remove, a box will appear where you can optionally add a reason for removal, or simply tap Remove to delete it instantly. You can also view the read status of your message. When a message is seen, the checkmark icon disappears and is replaced by the profile icons of members who have read it. This gives you a clear indication of who has seen your message, and by tapping on the status, you can even see the exact time when the message was viewed. Next, let's explore calling. From the top of the chat screen, you'll see icons for video call and audio call. You can start a call instantly with just one tap. And finally, at the top, there's a search icon. You can use it to find any specific message, keyword, or date, making it easy to locate past communication quickly. Now let's see how to manage groups in chat. When you open any group, you'll see the number of members at the top right corner along with their profile icons. Tap on it, and you'll find the Invite button. From here, you can invite anyone to join the group. On this same screen, you can also view all current members. If you want to remove someone, simply tap on the member's name and select Remove from Room. When removing a member, a box will appear where you can optionally enter a reason for their removal or simply tap Remove to confirm. You can also use all the same features available in individual chats, such as sending messages, sharing files, creating polls, and even starting video or audio calls directly within the group. And that's it. Managing groups is simple, flexible, and keeps your entire team connected effortlessly. That's everything inside the chat, all designed to make communication smoother, faster, and more interactive. Start your free trial today and experience how MyKidReports can simplify childcare management for you.